and welcome to the January edition of CMS News. Benjamin Bailey Chair Inaugural Lecture conducted. The Benjamin Bailey Chair Inaugural Lecture, jointly organized by the Mahatma Gandhi University and in patronage of CMS College, was held on 14 January 2022. Padma Bhushan N. Ram, Director of the Hindu Publishing Group and former Editor-in-Chief of the Hindu, was the chief spokesperson for the event. The principal, Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, delivered the presidential address. Professor Sabu Thomas, the Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University, gave the inaugural address. Chair Professor Mr. N. Ram delivered the keynote address on the topic, The Future of Citizenship in India. Dr. Vijay Thomas Kurian concluded the webinar with a vote of thanks. The Benjamin Bailey Chair has been set up by Mahatma Gandhi University in honor of the founder, principal of CMS College, Reverend Benjamin Bailey's contribution to Kerala society and modern higher education in India. The chair aims to commemorate Reverend Benjamin Bailey and other eminent persons whose contribution enriched the society, literature and culture of our country. Hughes of Time Sculpture Series at CMS. The college presented Hughes of Time, a sculpture series on CMS College. Lalitakala Academy Secretary N. Balamurali Krishnan inaugurated the camp on 24 January 2022. Famous sculptors K.S. Radhakrishnan, Johnson M.K., Ajayan V. Kattungal, Sanal Kuttan, Chitra E.G., V. Sadishan and Harsha Valsan bring the sculptures to life. The first phase, which will be completed through a month-long camp, will have 7 sculptures and the completed sculptures will be placed in different parts of the campus. The largest sculpture is about 20 feet high. Bijoy Chako, the famed landscape architect, will determine the location for placing the statues. Dedication of newly instituted college infrastructure held. Bishop Right Reverend Dr. Malail Sabu Koshi Cherian, the manager of CMS College, performed the dedication of Neve Square and R.E. Newton Center on 6 January 2022. The Neve Square includes 4 departments: the college store, alumni office, information desk, college print center and hostel office. Paintings, photographs, letters of prominent personalities which depicts the vast heritage of the campus and documents related to the significant moments of the college are made available to the public. The print center provides document printing, book printing, thesis printing, book binding, thesis binding and also DTP and photostat services. The main idea is to attract students and visitors to the campus and to provide prompt services. The services provided by the R.E. Newton Center include industry and corporate relations, career development and placement, innovation, incubation and entrepreneurship services. Principal Dr. Verghese Joshua and Bursa Reverend Cherian Thomas were also part of the dedication service. CMS celebrates 73rd Republic Day. The principal, Dr. Verghese Joshua, hosted the national flag on the college campus and delivered the message on the occasion of India's 73rd Republic Day on 26 January 2022. COVID protocol was strictly observed during the event. Results announced for undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Results for the first semester, undergraduate and second semester postgraduate courses have been published. The results and further details are made available on the college website. Special orientation program for students held. CMS College, in association with Entry App, conducted a special orientation program for the students on 7 January 2022 through the Zoom platform. Entry provides a range of courses from Kerala PSC, banking, Kerala PSC technical courses like spoken English, coding, Excel mastery, digital marketing, placement training and more, helping the user secure better job opportunities. Courses are provided in regional languages also. A workshop series was held on academic writing. Under the leadership of IQAC, the Research Committee and the Collins Library, a workshop series was held on academic writing. CMS College Assistant Professor of Physics Dr. Seema R., Collins Librarian Raish Thomas and Shibu MB and Mahatma Gandhi University Study Center Librarian at CMS College led the workshop. The workshop was conducted to benefit teachers, postgraduate students and PhD students. CMS College teacher recognized internationally. Dr. Vibin I. Thomas, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry, was awarded the Distinguished Referee Award 2021 of the European Journal of Physical Chemistry. CMSCN's part of Mahatma Gandhi University volleyball team win the cup. In the volleyball tournament organized by Karnataka Volleyball Association, Mahatma Gandhi University Kottayam won under the men's category. Postgraduate students George Anthony Karthik of CMS College also made the winning team. The winners were awarded with the Vajpayee Cup and a 40,000 rupees cash prize. Webinars this month. The Department of Family and Community Science conducted a webinar on realms of home science education on 21st January 2022. Dr. Rashmi H. Pujara, Assistant Professor at St. Teresa's College, Ernakulam, was the resource person. The Principal, Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, served as the patron for the event. Head of the department, Miriam Mani, and Coordinator Veena S. Manikya also addressed the event. The Department of Family and Community Science conducted a webinar on IPR Road Map to Patent Filing on 31st January 2022. Dr. Bhagya D., Assistant Professor at St. Joseph's College, Alappuzha, was the resource person for the webinar. The Department of Family and Community Science coordinated a webinar on Better Body, Better Life in association with USHIS Fellowship of Lady Teachers as part of Women Healthy Weight Day. The program was conducted on 24 January 2022. Ms. Ramya Polmukath, Consultant Clinical Nutritionist at Caritas Hospital, was the spokesperson for the event. The department also organized a poster competition on the theme Healthy Women, Healthy Weight. The department also organized a poster competition on the theme Healthy Women, Healthy Weight. The last date for the submission of entries was on 20th January 2022. The IQAC and Research Committee of our college organized a webinar on NIFT Explained, what they are and why they are suddenly worth billions on 29 January 2022. Mr. Vino Alex, Staff Cloud Native Architect at VMware, led the webinar. The webinar was held through the Zoom platform. NSS programs this month. NSS volunteers of our college painted the walls of Anganawadi in Muttambalam on 8 January 2022. NSS volunteer secretaries Megha Merin Reggie and Amal J and volunteers Sujit PS, Stephen K. Shaji, Bhadra and Jijan also participated in the event. The unit cleaned the premises of Anganawadi at Kachivelikunna, Kanyakuri on 8 January 2022. NSS Unit Program Officers Dr. Amrita Reno Graham and Dr. Ajish K.R. also attended the event. Shyam Kumar, a third-year psychology graduate student of Mahatma Gandhi College, Thiruvananthapuram, delivered a lecture on youth and the power of positive things. The unit organized a state-level webinar on protection of children from sexual offences on 19 January 2022. Mr. Srijit T., Sub-Inspector of Kerala Police, Kottayam West Police Station, was the resource person for the webinar. The NSS unit of our college organized an essay writing competition in association with Nehru Yuva Kendra Kottayam. The entries were accepted in English and Hindi under the topics India of My Dreams in 2047 and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. CMS students Salu Das and Archana TK secured the first and third positions respectively. An All Kerala Intercollegiate Cartoon Competition was organized on the topic Cherish Your Dreams to coincide with National Girl Child Day. The first prize was won by first year BCom undergraduate student Srijit Reggie and second place was achieved by third year mathematics undergraduate students Bhadra Prakash and Vandana Krishna respectively. As part of road safety awareness, unit representatives participated in the motorbike rally in collaboration with Kerala Police Motor Department, SH Medical Center and Lions Club. The unit conducted a 3-day life skill development program from 26 to 28 January 2022 through Zoom. The first webinar of the series on the topic Training on Apiculture was held on 26 January 2022. Dr. Jobin Matthew, head of the zoology department of our college, led the webinar. The unit created a short video on inclusive and participatory election in association with SVEEP Kottayam to bring awareness regarding the importance of elections in a democracy. It also emphasized the importance of the participation of differently able persons in the democratic process and the message that every vote is needed for the future of the country. They also secured the second position in the competition by the Kottayam District Election Division to coincide with National Voters' Day. The winners of the book review competition held in association with Gandhi Jayanti was announced. Mohammad Rahis was awarded first place while Anjana Vijayan and Kartika S secured second and third places respectively. A sad demise for CMS. Professor George Koshi, the former Vice Principal and Head of the Department of English of our college, passed away on 15 January 2022. Professor Koshi joined the college in the year 1956 and had been with the institution up until recently as a faculty member in the Department of Communicative English. He had also served as the General Secretary of the Church of South India from 1990 to 1998. He was instrumental in successfully conducting the CSI Golden Jubilee celebrations in 1997. His mortal remains were brought to the campus on 20 January 2022 and was laid for public viewing at the Great Hall to commemorate him. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to the college YouTube channel and follow the official Instagram page to be up to date on the latest happenings at CMS College. This is Anli Isaac signing off.